I'm very excited that Tulare has been chosen to be the first pilot for the sustainability project such as this with the solar panels. Being in California, in the wave of the future, it's green America, green world. We're going to see more need for these types of initiatives and projects, and it's very exciting for us to be in the forefront. Not only does it provide obviously benefits to the environment, but fiscally as well. There's some paybacks there that make the project realistic.
So the system is 392 kilowatt DC array, which is enough to compensate for 100% of our energy demands here at the site. It was a strategic decision for us. The system will pay by itself in 3.3 years. And if you look at it, it makes total business sense because those solar panels are actually warranted for almost 25 years. So that means we're going to produce electricity for most of the lifetime of the solar panels out there. It's one of our first steps in our decarbonization process. We're doing many other things. We're planning on developing a lot of other projects related to that same goal here in California specifically, and we're also looking for other solar array systems throughout the United States and even Mexico as well. So very excited with this one. It's able to compensate or reduce our emissions by 3% estimated, almost 125 metric tons of CO2 equivalent, which is great for our goals to be net zero by 2040 on Scope 2 emissions.
A project like the one we just finalized in Tulare is a true reflection of not only us as a company, as a corporation, talking about initiatives, but actually doing it. Being able to do these type of green initiatives really showcases what we can do when we put our minds to it and when we have the backing from our executive team. And to me, that's very exciting. It's not easy. It takes some time. It takes some due diligence, but it's also important for us to do what we say. And this, more than anything, proves that.